Hi guys, so today I want to look at the whole plan view or the modeling space for the SketchUp 3, and also I want to touch bases on the Trimble identity. First of all, you remember when you go to SketchUp.com, there is a SketchUp 3 version there, and it gets you to this page, and as you can see up top there is a sign in. So let's go hit the start modeling and open the model space. As you can see, it's asking us for sign in with the Trimble identity. So since I have already my Trimble identity where I use some other Trimble products, I can just hit next, type in the password. The nice thing about it is if you have any other product like Trimble Connect and everything, you can save the models directly in there. I've been playing around, and I noticed that here at the beginning, once you log in and once you get there is a quick button here. It says take a tour before you begin. I did do that the other day, and it's a great overview of the model space because it's gonna tell you exactly, as you can see here you have save, you have redo, undo, model name, and model preferences. When you click OK, it's going to give you an overview of the toolbars. So on the left hand side you have a toolbar which you're going to use for your models, and you know, it includes all these useful tools like select, erase, paint bucket, draw lines, draw arcs, draw shapes, modify objects, booleans, move object, measure tools, walk, camera controls. So that's the left hand side. On the right hand side you have those panels where you get the entity info, outliner instructor, 3D warehouse, components, material, styles, tags, scenes, display settings, model info, solid inspector. And then we have some toolbar at the bottom where you got a help, language, and status. On the right hand side you have the measurements. So, and now we are ready to go, and as you can see we can go and select new, and we get to that 3D modeling space. Now the other thing is, by watching and learning a little bit, playing around with the SketchUp, is they use lots of keyboard shortcuts. And I played around with the help, and hopefully I'll be able to find it here as well using shortcuts in SketchUp. So I went down in my SketchUp in the model, I clicked the help button and went to explore SketchUp, which opened up a new web page, and on the left hand side is using shortcuts in SketchUp. And when you scroll down, here are the default most used shortcuts. So if you want to select, you hit the spacebar, line is L, erase is E, arc is A, rectangle is R, circle is C, push and pull is P, paint bucket is B, M is move, rotate is Q, scale is S, and tape measure is T. I'm sure there is more shortcuts to it. I'll try to post a link to this in the comments there. And here is one more. While you're using SketchUp, you can look up shortcut keys using the search tool. For each tool or command, search provides a brief description as well as a reminder about the assigned keyboard shortcut. There is no shortcut for tool you use a lot. You can set one, right? So there is an option of customizing. In a search, if you hit search and you want to do pull, so it's gonna give us a push or pull and then a little P here on the side, right? If we do offset, it's F. Okay, that's a really useful tools, useful kind of navigation on how to get, right? Because when you look at this toolbar and you want to do offset, I don't really know which icon is for the offset. I believe it's here, and is this, yeah, this is the offset, right? But because I already used it a couple of times, that's how I know. But now I know if I hit F, I got the offset right there. Spacebar, select. So hope this helped you out with the whole modeling space, and we'll see you next one where we're gonna start designing a little garage. So don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you.